So apparently this chair over here is not working properly. Let's see. Let's push up. See, it's not moving. Although, watch, when I push the back button, see, it goes up. So the motor works. There's the third. When I push the third switch, it works fine. When I push the up on the second one, that switch works fine. So I took the back apart. I took all the switches out. It's not the switches. So I think it's the module in the back underneath there. So this chair is relatively old. So I sent away for a new module. Whatever, control board, whatever you call it, it's right here. So we'll see. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. So here it is. One connector, two connectors, three connectors. Yeah, no, it won't go up. It won't go just up. Alright, well that didn't work. Let's see here. I might be able to get to this without taking everything apart. So in order to get to the control board screws, you have to take this shroud off. And it's 6 screws, or 4 screws in our case. And you just release them and the whole part comes right off. There's the box right there. I'm going to unplug it, get some light. It's not barely been on. Oh boy. I wish I had an extension. Unfortunately, I'm going to need a regular screwdriver for this. This is way up here. Three. Come on, baby. I can't even see. There we go. Alright, so there's the box. Alright. So, here's where we are. Alright, let's do these one at a time here. Let's see how you get this out without breaking it. Alright, you gotta pull these out, I guess. Let's see here. I'll push them in. I don't know what I'm doing here. Let's see here. Damn it. I gotta figure out how to do this. I feel like you gotta squeeze it in and pull. Yeah, you gotta squeeze it and pull. Wow, that's tight. Wow, painful. Not easy. Being cheesy. Wow. Come on, man. Wow. Man, this is not easy. Okay. Here's a new one. Make sure it's all the way in. Okay, that was not easy. I'm going to plug the chair in and see if it works before I put it back together. Hope it works. All right, forward works. Up works too. That was it. That was the answer. It was the box. So now I'm going to raise it all the way up. Make it easier. All right, so that was the answer. All I got to do is unplug it, put it back together, and it's done. All right, awesome, baby, awesome. One there. Two. Put the other two in there. Three. Hope the back of my shirt's not messed up. So here I'm just putting that shroud back on that covers up the motor and all the electrical pieces. And then I'm going to plug the chair back in and make sure it works. And then we'll call it a day. Okay. Finished. Okay. Plug this back in. So tilt it a little bit differently. There's the up. There's up. Down. back, front.